Okay, so now we are using the GoPro Hero 12 Black with a 5.3K resolution, 30 FPS, Hyperboost on. Yan. Tignan natin ang pinagkaiba nilang dalawa. Comparing sa iPhone 12 Pro Max. So ito. Those iPhone 12 Pro Max. Yan. Using the gimbal. Let's see. Alright. So we are using gimbal with the 4K 60 FPS mode. Gamit natin si iPhone 12 Pro Max. 4K 60 mode lang to. FPS mga kabero. Tignan natin kung gaano siya ka-smooth. Kakaroon tayo ng comparison between the GoPro Hero 12 and this iPhone 12 Pro Max. So yan si GoPro Hero 12. Compare natin siya kung ano yung mas magandang video. Right? So with the low light, talagang walang visibility ka makikita kay GoPro Hero 12 Black. Maliban sa malapitan like this. Pero yung malayo, wala. Ganyan lang ang ilaw niya. So malapit lang ang ilaw natin. So ito yung GoPro Hero 12 Black. A 5.3 resolution tayo dyan. Yeah. 30 FPS linear mode. Testing naman natin si iPhone 12 Pro Max. So ito naman yung iPhone 12 Pro Max. Gamit natin yung sarili niyang ilaw ng camera. Ito yung low light mode. Yan, sariling ilaw ng iPhone 12 Pro Max. So we're making a comparison. And ganyan din. These are using HDR both. So you decide which one is the best camera for you for vlogging. I think I prefer both kasi for editing si GoPro ang iPhone. Then for video is ma-maximize mo ang video settings kapag gamit mo ang 5.3K resolution. So without being said, that's it mga kabiyero. Peace!